SINOM Group Co. Ltd. help overseas customers with customized technology and services. Improve procurement efficiency, reduce production and operation costs, and maximize profits in the shortest possible time. Introducing one of our products, short stress line rolling mill. The high stiffness of short stress line rolling mill we manufacture is with features of rational construction, high bearing capacity, weld advancing, high precision, easy maintenance, long working life, etc. Adopt elastic damper balance or laminated spring elastic. Damping balance and the balance effect is more stable. Some 650 and 550 models is equipped with hydraulic balance device. The roller radial direction adjustment adopts hydraulic motor. Adjustment and symmetric adjustment rollers sym manually, and the precision tolerance of screwing down dripping gears at level 7. The rolling mills can be fixed quickly and conveniently, stable and reliable. Thanks to the trust of customers, the new batch of rolling mills are ready to be packed and shipped.